All QuidelOrtho products and services across the healthcare continuum are a result of a customer-centric culture. From providing sorely needed rapid diagnostic solutions to point-of-care locations, to servicing large institutions with critical high-volume platforms, our customers and their patients are at the heart of everything we do. This is especially important for our customers who provide blood transfusions to patients in critical need. Our dedication to our customers is embodied in an approach to service we call QuidelOrthoCQ. QuidelOrthoCQ is the new customer experience program for QuidelOrtho employees to live by, so they are empowered to improve all customer touchpoints. A better customer experience is another way we are transforming the power of diagnostics into a healthier future for all. The QuidelOrthoCQ program embodies our relentless drive to exceed customer expectations. Everyone is required to think in a customer-centric way, showing up to work each day asking, how can I make our customers' businesses more intelligent and their operations easier to run so they have the freedom to focus? CQ stands for Care Quotient. It is a measure of the level of care, empathy, and compassion for the customer. It reflects the degree to which care is integrated into every aspect of the customer journey. The QuidelOrthoCQ program is intelligence, IQ, and ease, EQ, creating customer care, CQ. IQ, EQ, CQ is our core value system that describes how our people think of these solutions and bring them to life. Let's see how QuidelOrthoCQ comes to life with our teams who support you.
We are here 24/7. Being a prior med tech myself, knowing the situation that you're in, we've been there. And to be able to sit and break apart those things that you need to do in order to make sure that turnaround time and the patient results get out to the way they need to be for the ER and for the patients that you serve.
Even before we start training, from field application specialists to the field engineers, we are all involved, and the project managers putting it all together, and then eventually gets to us for trainers, in my case, as one of the trainers for QuidelOrtho. So our program is also built into to care about those people. Again, we try to reach to every single kind of learner.
When I show up to work every day, I know that at the end of the other end of the phone or at the end of the email is a person who needs to get this product so they can provide patient care, that there's a life that's being treated with the product we're providing.
In research and development at QuidelOrtho, it's our responsibility to innovate and anticipate future technologies to be able to meet the needs of our customers and patients.
QuidelOrtho's manufacturing of our products, it's done all over the globe. But regardless of where it's done, we're always focused on quality and safety and ease of use for our customers.
So my goal as an FAS is to provide the quality excellence that we are known for, to provide ease of use of the instrumentations and quality solutions to problem solving.
We often come into the client's life at not on a great day. It's not a good day for the client. I love riding in on that white horse and being able to fix the problem for them quickly so that they can get back up and running. It creates a very good bond between us, and I know that they won't hesitate again if they have another challenge in the future. It's pretty cool.
QuidelOrthoCQ is the new customer experience program for QuidelOrtho employees to live by, so they are empowered to improve all customer touchpoints. A better customer experience is another way we are transforming the power of diagnostics into a healthier future for all.